southeast at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include East Galveston Bay, Galveston Ship Channel, Galveston Bay Entrance, Galveston Bay, Buoy
No, he didn't say the
42,035,
YESSIR.
OFATS BL, North
said
Jetty,
Ship Channel
Galveston
or Bay.
Pier 21, Trinity Bay, Smith Point, Galveston 150,
Oh,
Galveston
lights are
Causeway,
flickering.
Rollover Pass, High Island 63, the Texas City Dike, Eagle Point and West Bay. This warning also includes the following channel lights: Houston Ship Channel Light 45, Houston Ship Channel Light 55, Anahuac Channel Light 1, Galveston Channel Lighted Buoy 1, Houston Ship Channel Light 37, Galveston Bay Entrance Channel Lighted Buoy 3, Galveston
They should
Bay
activate it
Entrance
any
Channel
moment.
Lighted Buoy 1, Texas City Channel Light 11, Houston Ship
I'm
Channel
gonna check
Light
outside.
65, and Houston Ship Channel Lighted Buoy 25. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Oh,
West
yes.
Galveston County in southeastern Texas, north central Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, south central Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 5
South Central Harris County, that's a
Central
county.
Daylight Time. At 4:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over northeastern Pearland. Light 99, Houston Ship Channel Light 93, 5 Mile Cut Buoy 2 and Houston Ship Channel Light 107. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas, out 20 nautical miles,
course he's gonna
Galveston
say
Bay, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 8 nautical miles west of Port Arthur to Galveston Bay to 11 nautical miles southwest of Upper San Jacinto Bay, moving southeast at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
Okay, I'm gonna go edit this.
Locations